Seven Sisters Waterfall in the house to be. Hope everyone's doing fine. Welcome back to our channel. On this Khasi Hills में आपका स्वागत है. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is an exciting day because I'm finally going to Happy Valley with a partner in crime. It was raining a lot. Today is gloomy and I'm going on a motorcycle to Happy Valley. I'm a little worried. It might rain, but ठीक है. I have rainwear. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, these guys are too good in pickle making, man. Oh, and now it just got a little bright. So perfect timing. Let's see. I just hope I don't get monsoon. And our studio is in process. Ooh, my jackets have arrived. Finally, one more shipment is coming, and then it'll be easier. Hopefully, now I'll take that one. Okay, so these are our beasts. But today I'm hopping on this one. Let's go. Okay, guys. The biggest problem is I forgot my mic, and this is hi Andrea. How are you doing? She's got me here. This is Happy Valley, where you get major shopping of Shillong, correct?
Thrift.
So this is all thrift, or it's normal also?
There's some
Mix.
shops mix.
Okay. And always carry a helmet lock because here your helmet has to be locked. So I did come here first time, and that was in the night, so I couldn't see anything. And today it's drizzling a bit, but it's fine.
Yeah.
That's thrift. No, some are new.
Some are new, yeah.
Yeah, so it's all mixed. You have to ask what is new, what is old.
See how much.
Wow, that's for sale 100 rupees, man. And you have to really dig in, na? Oh, those pants. And they are brands, na? Yeah, there are brands. Yeah.
These are all
Yeah, the
for-
tone ones, fashion. We're gonna check out more stores. Oh, you get even curtains and all.
Yeah, they are all imported.
Oh, what is this? They are from Shillong or?
They're mixed, like people from Mizo and from Shillong.
Oh, Mizo and Shillong. Okay. But seriously, man. Oh, I want to zip that Adidas one. I wanted one for the gym. I'm joining gym also here, guys, in Laban. I had joined last time, and man, I trained. See those nice stores there.
Blazers.
What I want is basically a zipper. Oh, there are stores like that also. The
Yeah.
arcades. Oh wow. And that's shirts. Wanna go just a little bit in and now? Huh? Come. These are thrift for sure. Wow. Lot of winter wear. You'll get a lot of winter wear here for sure, na? Because it's always cold. Right now it's summers. And I'm wearing literally 2 layers. So, this is what I want, like hoodie kinds.
You want a zipper?
Yeah, no, non-zipper is fine na for daily wear types. Okay. इसमें कलर्स है?
कम कीजिए ना भैया.
और इसमें कलर्स है क्या कि एक ही? This is easy. These are really fashionable, no?
Yeah. Yeah. Fresh copy and.
Okay. Hey, Vans. Do you have lace Vans? Vans with laces?
No.
Okay. Wow, check this, man. Damn. Jordans. Chalo.
Even that is.
So this Happy Valley is like till the military area, right? Like literally till the end. We'll walk here. Not necessarily just clothes. You saw all the shoes. That was just one store. There are plenty of stores.
Then they have lots of
Crockery, furniture, all imported also. I think there's a lot of trade from Myanmar,
Yeah.
Thailand, China side. On weekends it must be packed now.
Before. Now it's like a little bit less people.
Yeah, I think if you come in evening, it's gonna be packed.
Yeah.
But if you come in afternoon and all, it's fine. And I think we'll be having lunch somewhere here, na?
Right, yeah.
Khasi food,
No, we'll have
momos.
Thukpa.
So there is a very famous place here
For Thukpa and for momos.
for Thukpa and
For,
momo.
noodles, I forgot the name. I have to go see.
I have a bad person taking me around. So this is all thrift, so nice. And
Go all those at thrift.
yeah, so there's a very famous store where last time we came here, there was a huge queue and we did not get the thukpa and the momos. Hope we get that. And that's smoked pork, right? Right there. Wow, that's smoked pork. Oh, one thing, like this place is perfect for leather jackets, like real leather jackets. But very few wear real. And I'm surprised. I should really get the leather game going here because I'm the leather man. Yeah, and that's also thrift, right?
Even this.
Yeah. Oh, that's my favorite. What was that called? Bayberries, right?
Yeah,
And that's king chili, right? That's Raja Mirchi, the big ones. And that's bayberries. This is my favorite.
that is tomato.
Hey, mangoes look good, yaar. What do you want to ask? This is thrift.
Yes.
Yeah, this is all thrift. So Shillong thrifts a lot, yeah, which is pretty cool. You know, because here you tend to buy so many jackets. Like I'm wearing this jacket, I have 3 already. Because you can't keep wearing one, and you know you wanna buy more. So that's why people love thrifting here. Thrifting is very simple. People who want to change fashion every time, and that's why the thrift really happens. Go to buy a nice knit coat. It will cost anywhere around 7,000 to 8,000, right? Easily. And suppose you have 4 weddings to attend and you're wearing the same checkered coat. Where, this one? Oh, this has... Wow. So see, this is also cool, man. Damn, G, you're looking for such ones? They're right here. You really have to dig in when you're thrifting. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. Now imagine you paying some 8,000-10,000 for this. You can wear it for one winter, throw it, or thrift it again and buy new ones. So this is a very good concept. Yeah, this one I'm talking about. This is Colombia. Check this out, guys. I mean, if you're a girl, you should definitely have this. And I'm telling you, this is paperweight. It started raining. And yeah, done. And we thrifted. Your first thrift, na? Doesn't thrift, but she liked this and it looked cool, right?
Yes.
Man, but there are brands I can't believe that they are here. And they are obviously original, but they're thrifted. And her brother, he says she's
I'm
not.
a local tourist.
She's a local tourist. Okay, her brother calls a local. Hi, how are you? Oh, you're in Koi? No? Ah.
Hi guys. Hi, come back.
Shoes? You get shoes here. Nice shoes. Yeah. I will look. If I like, I buy. One thing is there, thrift shoes are kept. Huh?
No.
No shoes.
That does
Scenery. What's he saying?
I don't know.
the fall.
Yeah, waterfalls, yeah.
Tag by tag.
Hey, what is
Wide.
this?
Yeah. What, this?
I mean, bigger. It's a new store.
Hey. This still goes there, down or up?
But now,
And what's fresh bar? Wow, what size? So now it was raining and now it's sunny again. So 4 seasons you get in Shillong, all 4. How happy you look after getting spot. You know? So yeah, this is this cute little place. always packed. And that side is the kitchen.
It's an open kitchen.
And what I like here is that they have this space where you can keep your helmets.
Oh yeah.
They have that in every restaurant in Shillong, no? That's so cool. That's a yak. That's a white yak. Prayer wheel. That's also there. And beautiful paintings. So finally, Momo has arrived. Let's see how they are. I'll try the soup first. Okay. Be hot now, very hot. Good. Try the rice. Hey, you didn't put any dips or anything.
Juicy.
Very juicy. Was it good? Refreshing and nice. And she has ordered some more
Pan fried.
pan fried momos. Momo. So when do you say momos? Is it because it you can't say momos, na? Okay, so it's momo. I think people say momos because they have plenty in one plate. Maybe that's why, like, let's go eat momos, like popcorns. Some people say that. Wow. That's like yoga. Okay, so here's the Shapta Tingmo. This has to be the best, okay? The Tibetan way. This way, right? 6:30 na total. And we ate so much. And the bill was only 630 rupees. So it's quite reasonable. That's why.
I wanted to come in your video.
Who? Oh, he did. Yeah. So yeah, now let's go towards the military area, right? I seriously want these two in my garage. I really want to make this a brat one. I think I'll get one. He's done it like that. Chalo, let's go. Bye.